Hello guys, welcome again. In this video, we are going to see about market trend, types of trend, how to identify the market trend based on trend line approach, then that implementation in Python. Here you can see the two graph, up trend and low trend. Here I pointed some arrow that points are mean as peak, high and low. Based on this peak and high, we are finding the trend. Let's see the wiki page in GitHub. Here you can see this is the link for trading logic public repo in GitHub. Once you enter this page, you can find the wiki page here. Then basic methods, then trend. It has three types of trends: up, down, and sideways. Here you can find the code for implementation of market trend. Let's move on Visual Studio Code. Here, this is the public GitHub repo for trading logic. Here you can find the file trend line test py. This is the file for finding the market trend. Here the start and end date, like we are getting the data from last 2 years. Then end date is today minus 1, my yesterday. Then this is the line for getting the stock list from Google Sheet. You can see the Google Sheet in my Google Drive account. This is the file, our trading logic. In this file, you can find the sheet stock list. Here I configured the stocks up to 70. Once get the stock list, then create the object for yFinance. We are going to extract the data from yFinance. From this line, we are getting the daily data. Once we get the daily data, then loop the data for each stock. In this line, we are finding the basic indicators values like standard moving average, then Bollinger Band. This data we are calculating from here, like this is the basic indicators we are finding. This is useful for finding that trend, then creating that object peak, high and low. With the help of peak, high and low, we are finding that market trend line. This is the method for finding that market trend line. Once we get the market trend line, then add that trend line into the list. Once we add into the list, after this whole for loop, this is the part for inserting the data in that Google Sheet again as a output. The logic for finding the trend line is, I can show in that picture here. This stock, it's upper trend. Here I point some arrows here. These are peak high points. These 3 points are peak low points. Based on this peak high and low points, we are finding the trend. Here this point, we are taking the 3 points and the second point is higher than previous high. Then third point, it's higher than previous high. Then this is uptrend. Then again see the peak low points. Here this point is higher than previous low. Then the third point is higher than previous low. Then this also upper trend. So both peak high and low are uptrend. So this stock is in uptrend. Likewise, you can see this stock. Again, we pointed 3 peak high and 3 peak low. Here this point is lower than previous high. Then this third point also lower than previous high. Then this is downtrend. Let's check that low peak point. Then the second point is lower than previous low. Then the third point is also lower than previous low. So this is downtrend. So peak high and low both are downtrend. So this stock is in downtrend. This is the logic we implemented in the method get market trade line. Let's execute this code by right click, then run Python file in terminal. It's executed. Let's verify the output. Here you can see we are exporting the output to the file our trading logic. Then the sheet name is market trend. Here the our trading logic sheet, you can find the market trend sheet. This is that output, it's exported. Based on this export, you can find this stock is uptrend. You see, this is that stock. It is uptrend. Then this stock is downtrend. Yes, this stock is in downtrend. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye.